Hello, quick video showing my new build. Next I'm going to be doing the RAF Red Arrows Gnat, the Gnat by Folland. I've already ripped the box apart, so I can just throw that bit away and use that for the showing the decals. It's a starter set, so nothing very complicated. I've put the wings together already and tested out the colour, the red colour which comes in, the 19 gloss, single red glossed 19, which is what they always used to call out for red arrows. I put the these are just taped together at the moment, but I'll take the tape out and show you what I've got underneath. You will probably guess what I've done is got as far as putting the cockpit together now in here, and I've taped the two sides together to try and hold everything in place to make sure that the cockpit glues in place correctly. So there we are, take that off, and for once, and probably once only, when I've got everything joined back up again, you get to see the inside. It doesn't focus on the background. There we are, yeah, a little bit of taped safety belts, harnesses, distracting the focus. I've got a bit of a decals instrument panel. I painted the joysticks there, and yeah, so that's where we are. I put a bit of plasticine in front of it. It doesn't ask for it, but a bit of weight in there will help. I got to try and make sure this stays even with the wheels, because in the past I've had kits which finish up squiff on one side, so I'll be careful this time, because this is the last Gnat I plan to make. Made two other ones, and as you see, I've tested out the red on the tail, this side as well. So there we are, that's where I am so far. The 172 scale Airfix Folland Gnat with the decals for the red arrows when they used to fly them. Alright, there we are. Bye for now. Ta-da. Bye.